respect, power.
Banana!
Banana.
What if I tell you the Morris banana you eat every day even after breakfast, dinner or lunch and you see in markets is not natural? It is made using the genes of rat and cockroaches and other animals. It is neither a plant nor an animal, and if you eat it, you will face severe health issues.
ஏண்டா மோரிஸே, நீ பழமே இல்லையாமா? அப்படியா? நீ தப்பா புரிஞ்சிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. என்ன புரியல? வன்முறை வேணாம், நானே சொல்லிடுறேன். நான் பழம் இல்ல, மிருகமா? என்னடா சொல்ற? நான் இயற்கையே கிடையாது. காட்பூச்சி, கரப்பாம்பூச்சி, எலி இதோட மரபணுவெல்ல வச்சு செயற்கையா உற்பத்தி பண்ணதுதான் நானு.
So this exact rumor has been spreading on the internet and social media platforms like WhatsApp, YouTube and Facebook for years. Even as early as 2018, Nakiran website has posted an article regarding this. But is there any truth in it? Let's spend the next few minutes in breaking it down step by step. Welcome to Youturn and this is Nandini Madheshwaran.
Ba 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 na na ba 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 na na oh ba 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 ba.
In Tamil Nadu, we celebrate foods, especially the fruits which is often called as mukkani, that is 3 fruits. So the 3 fruits consist of mango, jackfruit and of course banana. In every single occasion, whether it is good or bad, or even if we go to temple worshipping God in our own home, banana takes place everywhere. So bananas are highly connected with Tamil culture. Banana is of many types and Tamil people commonly eat rastali and sevazhai, which is called as red banana, poovan, karpuravalli and of course Morris banana, which is also called as robusta. Sometimes it is called as railway banana because many people say that these type of bananas are available highly in railway station. This is one side. But on the other side, many claim that this type of Morris banana is genetically modified ones and it is made up of genes using the rat and cockroaches and other animals. It has no seeds and eating it causes severe health issues.
இந்த பழத்தை சாப்பிடுறதுல என்ன பிரச்சனை அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, இந்த பழத்தை சாப்பிடுறதுனால அலர்ஜி உண்டாகும். ஏன்னா இது வந்து இயற்கையான வாழைப்பழம் இல்ல. இதனோட பல காட்டு பூச்சிகள், கரப்பாம்பூச்சி இதனுடைய ஜீன் வந்து இதல சேர்த்திருக்காங்க. ஏன் அதனுடைய ஜீனை வந்து இதல சேர்க்கணும் அப்படினா, பயிர்கள் அதாவது வாழை தண்டு அழுகல் நோய் அந்த மாதிரி நோய் வராமல் தடுப்பதற்காக இத தாவரம் இல்ல, இது ஒரு விலங்கு அப்படி நினைச்சிட்டு அது ஏமாந்து போய்டும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக அந்த கரப்பாம்பூச்சி காட்டுப்பூச்சிகளுடைய ஜீனை இதல சேர்த்திருக்காங்க.
But here's the truth. In India, genetically modified food crops are not allowed. The print journal released an article saying that the only genetically modified crop that allowed in India is BT cotton. That too it is used for making fabric and not used as a food crop. Another vegetable is genetically modified brinjal, which was tested in 2009 and in 2010 it was stopped because of many protests. Genetically modified mustard is also in halt. Right now, only 2 food crops are under testing stage. One is genetically modified potato and the other is iron-rich banana. Neither has entered farming or markets. So, the Morris bananas you see in the shop cannot be genetically modified one. That means the claim of cockroach or rat DNA is already false here. And many claim that these type of genetically modified bananas do not have the nutritional value such as potassium, calcium or other high nutrient values in which the other bananas possess. But this statement is also completely false and this type of Morris bananas also have the same nutritional values of the other bananas. Some ask, if it is not genetically modified organism, then how do we get varieties like Morris? The answer lies in genetic selection. Bananas originally came from 2 wild species. One is Musa acuminata and the other is Musa balbisiana. So these both wild species were full of seeds, hard and inedible. So here human did 2 things. One is natural selection and the other is artificial selection. Natural selection is the process which is continued over centuries where the farmers picked up the right breed that produce fewer seeds. Artificial selection is the process where the farmers breed plants which has the strong stem and seedless fruits. This process slowly gave rise to different banana varieties like Morris. So here there is no gene editing, no mixing of DNAs of rats or cockroaches. It is made up of just traditional farming methods. Now, how do farmers grow bananas on a large scale? Traditionally, farmers cut the small sucker which is known as baby shoot from the healthy mother plant and they replant it. This takes time of course. But today they use Tissue culture method. So tissue culture is the method where a small tissue from the banana tree, which is very healthy, is taken and it is cultured and processed in the lab. It is grown into thousands of new plants and all these plants are identical and disease free. This makes farming more easier, more reliable, and it also maintains consistent quality. Farmers also fight fungal diseases like Fusarium wilt TR4. To do this, they select naturally resistant varieties and not genetically modified ones. The biggest rumor is that scientists mix the DNA of rat and cockroaches into Morris banana. But this is absolutely a pseudoscience. Let me explain why. Genes are not like Lego blocks which the children usually play. They are the complex code of life. Also, different species already share many genetic similarities. For example, humans and chimpanzees share nearly 96% of DNA and humans and chickens share 60% of DNA. At the same time, bananas also share nearly about 60% of DNA with humans. But does that mean we are part banana or part chicken? Of course not. It only means all living organisms in the world is evolved from a single ancient cell billions of years ago. So saying Morris banana is half animal or half plant is absolute nonsense. First, we must know the difference. Artificial selection, in which the Morris banana is made of, human chooses the breed, and plant which has good traits like strong stem, no seeds and gives tasty fruits. On the other side, there is genetic modification. Here, scientists edit or add genes in the lab, sometimes from the other species. So, Morris banana comes from artificial selection plus tissue culture and not genetically modified ones. So, here's the truth. Morris banana is not genetically modified. This does not contain any type of rat DNA or cockroach DNA in it. It is created through the farming methods like selection and tissue culture. Genetically modified bananas are still in laboratory and not in markets. So friends, whenever or wherever you see claims about food on social media, do take a pass, please fact check and don't fall for pseudoscience. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.